You need to clean the spindle collet once a week. Take the spindle kit out of the drawer and take out the collet jig. Cleaning cotton and collet brush inside. Then, open collet by pressing the collet button on the home screen. If you look at the collet jig, there is an unlock direction and a lock direction indication. With the collet jig inserted into the torque driver, unscrew the collet by turning it in the unlock direction. Turn the cleaning cotton like this to clean the inside of the spindle. Use a collet brush to remove foreign substances inside the collet. When assembling after cleaning, make sure the collet is open. Turn the collet in the lock direction with a torque driver. Lock it until you hear the sound.